Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Defending champions Cavalier SC and fellow Jamaican team Mount Pleasant FA will be in action when the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup kicks off this evening. Cavalier will be eyeing all 3 points when they play away to Cibao FC in the Dominican Republic. This will be the third meeting between the teams in a matter of months, with Cavalier prevailing on away goals in the final after a 2-2 aggregate scoreline.
Last year and also entering a Premier League so it's really a new team. We know Cibao actually has similar players, so it's really we're in a rebuilding process. We're not sure what's going to happen.
Meanwhile, Mount Pleasant, who were runners-up in the Jamaica Premier League last season, will take on Surinamese team SV Robin Hood at the National Stadium. In their debut last year, Mount Pleasant won only one of their 4 games, but coach Theodore Whitmore says he expects things to be different this time around.
Well, again, I think the last tournament that we competed in, I think we weren't prepared. We weren't prepared, and we are now prepared for this tournament, and again it's left down to execution. I think the players have been working hard over the few weeks, and this is the moment we are waiting on. So again, it's what take place out there in the 90 plus minutes.
Both games kick off at 7 p.m. Reggae Boys and Philadelphia Union goalkeeper Andre Blake is set to be out of action for at least 2 weeks. Blake suffered an apparent hamstring injury during the Union's 1-0 away defeat to the New York Red Bulls in the MLS at the weekend. Blake, who captains both the Reggae Boys and Philadelphia Union, was forced off in the 28th minute after falling to the ground clutching the back of his leg. 34-year-old Blake's fitness is now a major concern for the Union ahead of their next match against Chicago Fire on August 23. Blake has started in 6 of the last 7 MLS matchups for the Union. Olympic 100-meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson will not face the starter at the Lausanne Diamond League meet on Wednesday, with the Jamaican citing shin discomfort as the reason for his withdrawal. Thompson won the much-anticipated rematch with American Olympic champion Noah Lyles at Saturday's Silesia Diamond League meet in Poland. The two were set for a repeat showdown in Switzerland on Wednesday. Saturday's race was the pair's first meeting since the Paris Olympic final. Thompson came out on top in a time of 9.87 seconds, with Lyles posting a season's best 9.90 for second. Jamaica clinched its spot in the playing round at the 2025 World Lacrosse Men's Under-20 Championship in South Korea with a decisive 18-6 win over New Zealand on Tuesday. They secured second spot in Pool C following back-to-back wins. On Saturday, they defeated South Korea after losing their opening game to England last Friday. The Jamaicans were confirmed on Tuesday as the 10th seed and will face Ireland in the playing round on Wednesday for a spot in the quarterfinals. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup. And I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.